ChatGPT Secrets, Earn Online with the Power of AI. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can earn money through ChatGPT. And you can make up to $1,000 per day. Before that, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI, and it can be used for a variety of tasks such as answering questions, generating text, and even creating content. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can use ChatGPT to earn money online. Step number 1 is content creation. One of the most popular ways to earn money through ChatGPT is by using it to create content. You can use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, articles, ebooks, and even video scripts. This can be a great way to earn money online if you're a blogger, writer, or content creator. Step number 2 is social media management. Another way to earn money through ChatGPT is by using it to manage your social media accounts. You can use ChatGPT to generate engaging social media posts, captions, and even hashtags. This can be a great way to save time and increase your social media reach. Step number 3 is chatbot development. ChatGPT can be used to develop chatbots for businesses. Chatbots can be used to answer customer questions, provide customer support, and even make sales. This can be a great way to earn money if you're a developer or a marketer. Step number 4 is language translation. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another. This feature can be useful for businesses that operate in multiple countries and want to reach a global audience. This can be a great way to earn money if you are bilingual or multilingual. Last one is research and data analysis. By this process, you can make up to $1,000 per day.